my way. Now time to make up the bed. Gotta remember to put the shoes in the beginning of the freaking, what do you call it? Beginning of my freaking door. So, man, yeah, remember YouTube. If you're doing the Japanese thing that you're doing, and there are people that want to do it for their room or whoever, so please let me know that to keep their socks on, or if they can. If they don't have any socks on, they have some sandals. Take them off and maybe wash their feet a little bit, like they do in the olden days of the Bible. And if they're homeless and basically you want to be a nice thing, do a nice thing for them, wash their feet, wash their hands, wash everything, give them room a little bit. Make sure you give them clean clothes. That'd be a nice thing. So if I would have lived on my own, that would be definitely a nice thing for that. And I'd make sure they're fed and watered. Well, no, they're not pets. I'm sorry. I forgot they're people. Sorry. If they need food, they need water, and if they're homeless, give them something to eat, or give them to, or if you're running a homeless shelter, shout outs to you guys that has a lot of people in their homeless shelters. Just basically, if I was president of the United States, I'd make sure every homeless person and homeless shelter has a lot more room for a lot of homeless people and a lot of people that wants to volunteer or work. They'd have a shower. They would have clean clothes, shaved utensils, especially you men and women out there and kids. So yeah. Anyways, enough me about rambling on about homeless people. I also want to shout out uh, some people that are friends of mine, especially on Facebook. Um, the also Deidre, so Crazy Larry Lexington, also known as Larry. Doug Lister, also Ethan, and I guess certain people. Tyler McKnight, also Tyler behind the camera on YouTube. If you can't find him and you're his friend on Facebook, I do the honors of asking him on sending you a link to his YouTube channel. So, yeah. Anyways, I love you guys. And I'm making out my bed. And I'm getting kind of hungry and stuff. I know I just started cleaning my room and everything else, so. Or not clear my room, sorry. Yeah. Well, if you like my band making up videos, please let me know in the comment section. And you rock. Anyways, I'm out of here.